or deletions. And we did review the recommendation. We asked that you adopt it. I will say Ms. Smith has shown an incredible amount of remorse for her actions in this case.
From the first second, you can feel the weight in the room. The defense starts with remorse. The judge listens, and already there's a tone of empathy. But behind this calm opening, there's a layered story. A defendant haunted by one mistake and a judge who sees humanity before punishment. This isn't your usual cold sentencing. Judge Simpson, known for his balance between compassion and accountability, immediately shifts focus to character rather than crime. That's rare. What unfolds next isn't just legal, it's emotional surgery. You'll notice how tone, phrasing, and body language all fuse into a moment of redemption. The defense's claim of remorse isn't a legal strategy, it's the foundation for leniency. Keep watching for when Simpson pivots from stern authority to almost fatherly reflection, a turn that might surprise you. Would you show mercy here or demand full punishment?
We sat in that office next door, and she was clearly emotional. Clearly, this has affected her every day since this happened. I think she'll be very successful on probation, and you will not see her again. Out of a lot of defendants, she has shown that I've worked with, she's shown an incredible amount of remorse for this horrible mistake.
Anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
Yeah, I just wanted to apologize to the victim and thank the court for his mercy. That's it.
I remember taking your plea.
Please, me too. Me too.
And what was clear to me after that plea is we were going through it.
It's okay. I'm here. So I'm sorry. I don't.
There is doubt in my mind that you had remorse, and I think at your very core, the part that probably hurt you. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but is you weren't raised this way. This was not you.
This is where Judge Simpson hits a nerve. You weren't raised this way isn't legal jargon. It's moral judgment wrapped in empathy. He's not just addressing a defendant, he's appealing to her conscience. That's powerful judicial psychology. By invoking her upbringing, he reframes the crime as a temporary moral lapse instead of permanent character flaw. It's a subtle but strategic move that allows for rehabilitation over retribution. He even mirrors her guilt verbally. You knew it, I knew it, forming a rare emotional alignment between judge and defendant. These are the kind of lines that stay with defendants long after the gavel falls. Do you think a judge should ever personalize sentencing like this, or keep it purely by the book?
At all.
And you knew it.
I know it.
Yeah. And probably at the time that it was going on, you knew. And then it all kind of caught up and you had to face it. But I will tell you that your reaction to the court while I was taking the plea, because the other thing about it is, as I was taking the plea, the only way I can describe it is it hurt. Right?
It did. It does.
Yeah.
It still does.
So what Ms. Perrony says about sitting in the office talking to, I don't doubt that one bit. All right. But here's the thing, Ms. Smith. Everybody in life does things. And at some point do things in one way or another that is quite frankly not what we were raised to do, not what anybody ever taught us in any way we should do. We just, for whatever reason, you almost think you just lost your mind.
Yeah.
Here, Simpson frames the act as temporary insanity, not in the legal sense, but moral. He's inviting reflection instead of resistance. This is where courtroom drama transforms into therapy. Notice his pacing. Each phrase lands heavy, yet comforting. This technique diffuses defensiveness and replaces it with honesty. For viewers, this is the anatomy of restorative justice, the belief that people can fall and still recover. Simpson is walking a psychological tightrope, softening accountability while maintaining structure. The tone signals he's already leaning toward probation. You can sense he's more concerned about growth than punishment.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, temporary insanity.
Almost, yep. And then reality hits, and you really can't explain why you did it. You just, because you know you're better than that.
I say stupidity. That's all I can say. It's stupidity. It's okay.
Maybe for that brief moment, I don't see you. I went through this report and everything. I don't see you as stupid at all. I just think stuff happens. That's the way I look. All right, Ms. Polari, you've risen.
Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted to advise the court. I know when I completed the PSI with Ms. Smith, she had indicated that her lease is up in October.
Her what? Her lease?
Her lease
Yeah.
is up in October. Her daughter has moved to Texas and she's wanting permission from the court for her to be able to move once her lease is up.
Where is she moving to?
Texas.
Yeah,
Moving to Texas?
yeah, she had accepted to Baylor for occupational school there. My family's,
That's your daughter?
it's my baby.
Before this moment, the courtroom is tense. Remorse, regret, reflection. But suddenly it shifts. A mother talks about her daughter's future. The judge brightens. The entire atmosphere changes. This is the humanizing turn that often decides outcomes. Education, motherhood, progress. These keywords flip perception. Simpson's humor about Detroit to Texas and the heat isn't filler. It's rapport building. He's transforming authority into approachability, softening the sentencing tone through shared laughter. This reminds viewers that the justice system, at its best, connects consequence with compassion. Should personal life achievements influence sentencing leniency?
Congratulations, Mom.
Thank you. Thank you. So I just want to, my lease is up. I just want to go and make housing and be there for her.
Ms. Smith
Wow.
moved here
For her.
for her because she was going to
U of
Michigan.
M.
And so she's,
She
Where did you
graduated
move from?
from Detroit.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
that's like down the road. That's,
Ipsy, I don't know anybody up here. I'm here alone now, me and my dog.
it's
know.
Detroit. It's right down the street.
Yeah, it's 30.
It's not,
I don't,
it's not like,
I don't,
okay, hold on. Ms. Smith, when you go to Baylor, when you go down to Texas,
yeah,
that's a move.
I know.
Right?
Yeah, but I'll be close.
Where do you move? Detroit. Wait, really?
That's far.
Where?
Detroit from Ipsy.
Detroit.
Man, I'm gonna do that freeway.
It's like 45 miles.
That's a long way.
Okay. How far is it to Texas, to Baylor?
18 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I won't be coming back. I promise.
Why?
I'll fly. I've had enough.
Are you,
Michigan, I'm just
you're going to drive down there?
Yeah, I have to take my stuff
Okay.
and the dog.
and the
Okay,
dog.
here's the only other thing. You like hot?
I do.
Do you?
It's good for you. I need it. Vitamin D.
That's some serious hot.
It is.
No, that's serious hot.
It's okay. It's okay. Better than what?
She kind of sound bitter.
I just want to move forward. Michigan, I'm over. I don't.
What? She's now criticizing the Great Mitten to the north.
I'm sorry.
My home state.
Mine's too.
My.
Born and raised, but I'm over it. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. I feel insulted.
Oh, don't.
No, I feel insulted. You know, I was going to change this recommendation.
I'm like, please.
But
Judge Simpson's teasing tone about Michigan isn't just humor, it's calibration. This is emotional control on display. He's testing how the defendant reacts under light pressure. When she responds politely, it reassures him that her remorse is authentic, not performative. Judges often use conversational banter like this to assess demeanor, a soft psychological probe hidden under laughter. The audience sees entertainment, the judge sees data. Her ability to stay respectful under joking scrutiny confirms she's internalized accountability. That's why he later pivots toward leniency.
Please.
I was changing, then now I'm headed the other way.
I know, right? I love Michigan. do. Love I do.
Okay, now this is better. This is more like it. I don't know about the Baylor Bears.
You know about the Bears?
The Baylor Bears?
What do you know? You do know.
I know about Baylor. Baylor has a very good softball team. They just can't. Actually, they did beat Oklahoma, but then something happened. I don't know.
Well, she's going for occupational therapy. She was accepted. She got her letter. She starts January 24th.
That's beautiful.
I know, right?
All right.
Here I am in court.
What? And here you are in court?
Yes.
Rectifying what you've done. And that's okay.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
It's okay.
Okay.
And so, and you know, you could sit up there and you could say, yeah, this was stupid, this was whatever. But apparently, if your daughter's enrolling at Baylor, you did something right.
It's something right. Thank you.
Right?
Yes. That I know.
Okay.
That I know.
And her daughter gave her a talking to, didn't she?
Yeah. Yeah. She can't wait till I leave here. She's like, call me when you get out of court.
Okay. She didn't say it all like that.
She did.
Wow. I hope her daughter's watching because I want her daughter to
She's been watching.
how you scrunched up your face
Well,
like
she
that
knows.
about your daughter.
That's how she talks.
That is not how she. I cannot believe
With this
that.
situation, yes, it is. She's just disappointed as much as I am in myself.
Yes,
And she's
but still loves you.
oh, of course. Of course.
So when you said you were going down, like, okay, I just got to know this.
Mhm.
Mom, I'm going off to college. Oh, I'll come with you. What was her reaction?
Really? Yeah, because I don't want you to be up there by yourself. So we'll just move that way. And that's what I did. I got an apartment and stay here 2 years. And she graduated. She's gone. And
Your daughter is a better person than me.
she's
Because I love my mom, but my mom told me I'm coming with you.
no.
I said,
But
oh, that's not
my
it.
buddy.
I transfer schools. Say, yeah, I'm at Maryland. That'll be down in Alabama someplace. Anyway. Tell you what I'm gonna do. Yes, ma'am. And rarely, well, we don't want the conviction, so we gotta do it that way. The $655 fines and costs and probation fees, when do you think you can get that paid?
Today.
You can pay all of that today? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. When are you headed to Texas?
My lease is over October 26th.
Okay, hang on a minute. I'm changing this recommendation. You know, we put people on the deferred. We look for people to hopefully learn something from the process. And I don't know that some of what we do is necessary for you, because I think nothing I could do, even if I sent you to jail, would beat you up more than you probably beat yourself up about this. That is clear to me. So I'm changing this. Instead of a 12-month prosecutor deferred, it's going to be a 3-month prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $655 fines and court costs, $90 probation oversight fees. So you can pay that today.
Yes.
Pay that today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a theft class. You're to do that within the next 60 days. You are to complete 25 hours of community service as directed by probation. I'll set a review hearing. What would be my review hearing 3 months out, Ms. Blair?
October 9th.
October 9th, 2024, 9 a.m. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit in 1 day, the balance is suspended. That way, what we can do is you can have this all done before you go to Texas. All right. So you can go down there in that heat and start with a clean slate.
This is the moment of redemption. Simpson reduces a 12-month deferred sentence to 3 months, a major act of judicial mercy. His reasoning is crystal clear. Punishment isn't meant to crush, it's meant to correct. His line, "Nothing I could do would beat you up more than you already have," shows awareness of self-imposed punishment, guilt. He transforms sentencing into closure. From a storytelling perspective, this is the emotional climax, justice balanced with grace. It's why courtroom clips like this resonate online. People crave fairness that feels human. Did Judge Simpson make the right call here, or was this mercy too generous?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, when it gets hot up here and it's humid, it's like being a boiled peanut. Down there, she's going to be a dry roasted peanut. Unless you get too close to the coast,
It is.
then you get that humidity, and that's a special
You
kind
can
of
see the heat coming off the ground.
What?
You can see the heat coming off the ground.
Absolutely. I'm telling you, it's hot.
Oh, I know. But it's okay.
It's hot. No, you gotta like wear special shoes. Cause you wear like the regular shoes we wear, like you'll stick to the ground, you'll stick to asphalt. All right. You know what? She's gonna be trying to get out of a parking lot of a store, be stuck. And then she's gonna think about me saying, he told me. He told me don't go. All right. All right. Ms. Smith, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Tell your daughter from all of us, congratulations.
I will. Thank you. She
On-
knows who you are because I ain't gonna tell you where she saw you at. Stop.
No, you see, Ms. Smith, you can't come up in court saying my daughter knows you. No, you just can't be.
She saw you on her phone and she's like, "This is where you going?" I'm like, "Yeah." She said, "That's him." I said, "That's him." That's okay.
That's why I call in the shell each night and don't go anywhere.
She said, "Good luck." I said, "He all right."
Oh, he all right. Yeah, okay.
But thank you.
Ms. Smith and Ms. Polera, because she will have completed everything.
By the end, you can feel peace return to the room. A mother relieved, a judge reassured, a lesson sealed. This wasn't about theft or probation. It was about redemption. Simpson's approach shows the power of discretion, that empathy doesn't weaken justice, it completes it. Miss Smith walks away, not just with freedom, but with purpose, to rebuild, to move, to guide her daughter better. The moral arc bends toward growth. And that's what makes this courtroom special. It's not just about guilt, it's about transformation. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.